In 1939, Parravicini spoke of a planet that was approaching Earth and that as a result of its collision the deluge was going to occur. Pope Francis recently spoke something about the possibility of a new deluge, and in the last week asteroids have been the main protagonists according to scientists. Asteroids that are falling to the Earth and that pass very close, so close that they are considered dangerous, come from the asteroid belt that is between Mars and Jupiter. We are going to see what Parravicini means to us in the most disturbing part of the psychography. Parravicini says that a planet travels to Earth that can deflect it, and it will collide in the extreme south of the Earth, again causing another universal flood. The climatic changes caused by NIBIRU have been so great that what we know today as the Sahara Desert was known almost 5,900 years ago as the savannas of the Sahara. For more than 4,000 years the Sahara was a territory of rich pastures and large vegetation, but 5,900 years ago the planet suffered an increase in temperature, and that ended up drying up the Sahara and turning it into the desert of the Sahara. In ancient times it happened, and today it is happening exactly the same thing. The big difference is that at that time we did not have access to so much information, and we simply thought about surviving, and it was precisely all these climatic changes which caused the near Nile to begin to increase, which would end up leading to the construction of Great Egypt. History shows us that all difficulties are, in one way or another, the fuel of the human being and its evolution, and that it is thanks to these difficulties that we today are what we are, and we are where we are. Possibly these new difficulties that the human being faces will help us to leave a legacy for the new generations to evolve and to change what is not working. Remember that the prophecies were not made to be fulfilled, but were made to avoid being deliberately taught incorrect information about gravity, to hide the truth that the universe is electric and not gravitational. We do not know how the NIBIRU system works together with its moons, its dark sun, and the other 6 planets that revolve around it, but we know that these planets repel the Earth and other planets electronically as opposites of magnets. These planets create powerful lightning storms to push each other away. These planets are in the skies all over the world. These planets are shrouded in their own clouds. Their clouds are our clouds, and they are all close to the sun. Sunrise and sunset are the best viewing times. Governments don't want people to know that this other planetary system exists, let alone is already here. This event only occurs every 600 years or so. Historical information is available but limited and scattered among various ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs, the Mayans, and the Hopi. All left drops of information but not much information available because it has been hidden from the general population.